Ah. Hell yeah.
So today I'm gonna teach you how to say excuse me in Korean.
실례합니다.
실례합니다. But the title is how to say excuse me in Korean, but not 실례합니다.
Oh, what?
You know, 실례합니다, that is like the textbook format. And textbook that says excuse me. 실례합니다.
실례하십니까?
하십니까?
No?
In my life, I don't think I ever said 실례합니다. It's weird. It's very awkward.
Yeah, I remember doing it a few times and having some interesting reactions.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And first of all, 실례합니다 is what? When you're initiating conversation, right? Excuse me, right? So remember, hey there, 저기요.
저기요.
Yeah, that is excuse me, more commonly used.
Ah,
in
yo.
Korean. 저기요.
Ayo.
저기요.
저기요.
Yeah, hey, excuse me, right? How about another situation that you're gonna use excuse me? So excuse me in English has broader context. So second one is what?
Excuse me.
Second one is when you're trying to get by someone's bubble. You know, like Western people don't like somebody to get into their bubble, right? Excuse me, like getting into
their personal space.
Yeah, excuse me. In Korean, we don't say excuse me. We say 죄송합니다.
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 So you're just saying sorry. 죄송합니다. But first of all, actually, we may not even say it because we're so used to bumping into each other in South Korea. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So, as you probably noticed when you're in South Korea back in like many years ago, you noticed people just walk by so closely.
Yeah, I remember having to shove a whole bunch of people at once so we could get off the subway. We were late.
I see. Late to meet my dad, I guess.
No, you had to go sing at that company concert.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I forgot. Leona, 괜찮아? And then the third situation that Western people use, excuse me, is when you're almost flabbergasted by someone's saying.
Excuse me?
It's like, can you please repeat? Did I hear you correctly? Right? So in Korean, we say 뭐라고요?
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 Yeah. 뭐 is what? 라고 하다, actually. 라고 하다. Say that what? So you say that what?
What you say?
But you don't even have to say 하다 in this case. 뭐라고요? What did you just say?
뭐라고요?
Okay, to summarize what we just studied, the first situation that you say excuse me is when you're starting the conversation. Excuse me, how do you say that in Korean?
Well, I mean, I was thinking 저기요.
Yeah,
but I was thinking that's more like getting someone's attention.
Yeah, that's
like so prompting them for an exchange.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's when you say excuse me here, right? So 저기요, that's good. And second situation of excuse me.
Yeah, when you're getting into people's personal space.
Yeah, how do you say that in Korean? 죄송합니다.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Or we don't even say anything, like I said. And the third situation of excuse me.
When you're surprised by someone's statement.
And you almost want to say, what did you just say? How do you say it in Korean?
뭐라고요?
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 Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If it was useful, make sure to smash the like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Then we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah.